You should walk all around him until he's dizzy and drops out.
I think she's going to get dizzy before me. In this week's episode of Who is Craziest, Juliana and Anastasia. Yeah. Now this is the making of a picture.
Sorry.
Now this is the making of the making of.
One picture.
It was the mood here, the drive, which you missed.
Oh my God. You're trying to win the competition.
What?
You are trying to win the competition. Who's craziest?
Look. What if we put the
Yeah, it works. It works. It does work.
It works.
Yeah, but there are no appropriate lights here.
Red light.
What? How does it look? Ah, the red lights. Yeah. Yeah, it works. It works. No, because.
This weekend. And get